Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Ricoh Aficio MP 1600LE printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our Windows 10 is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC. Click on the properties, wait for a few seconds and scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. After that, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Ricoh Aficio MP 1600LE printer driver and hit enter key. First link is from the support.ricoh.com official website of our printer. Here we find our printer name and many other printer. It is a series printer. Open the whatever first link is. Okay, and here we find the Ricoh official website, and here we find our printer name Aficio MP 1600LE and many other. Okay, it is a series printer. If you select your operating system right at this point, Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit, it is right. Then go to here and download the printer driver and scanner driver. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose other OS. It automatically goes to this page. Okay, choose other OS. Click at here Windows. Okay, in a Windows, if Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. Same options are appear. These same options are appear at that box. Okay, first I download the scanner driver. Here we find the scanner driver. Go to here and download the scanner driver. Click on the download, and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Sometime it's asked for the keep or not. Click on the show in folder. Go to downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this scanner driver to desktop. Okay, our scanner part is done. Now go to the web browser once again, and this time go to the printer driver, and here we find the PCL6 for DDST. Download it. Click at here and download is started. Here we find download is started. Click at here, show in folder. Go to the downloads and click on show in folder and drag this setup file also to the desktop. Okay, now there are two ways to unzip this setup file. These setup files are actually a zip file, and there are two ways to unzip this setup file. First way is right click on it, click on the any extraction option, extract files, and if you not file extract files option, then that is very easy. Go to the desktop and click on the new, right click on the blank space and click on the new, click on the folder and give any name. I give my folder or my. After that, double click on this setup file or the zip file, or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds, click on yes. Now it's asked for the unzip. By default, it's unzipping in C drive, temp and this folder. Okay, if you want to go to the temp file and that folder, that is okay. But for me, I go to your browse and go to my desktop folder, and in desktop I have my folder. I select my folder, click on OK and click on unzip or run WinZip. I click on the unzip. Now unzip process start and it's done. Click on OK. Same process with the first method also. Okay, click on the my, and here we find our drivers. Okay, next step is install these drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, click on the add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, click on the yes, click on the close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part. Click at here, and if you find any port name USB 001, USB 02, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select USB port, click on the next, click on Hardix, click on browse, go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Select your created folder, double click on it. Here we find one file, select that, click on open, click on OK. Here we find two options, Ricoh Aficio MP 1600L or 200L. I select this first 1600L because my printer is LE and it's include our printer. So select that first printer, click on the next, give any name. I give LE Ricoh Aficio MP 1600LE and click on the next. It's installing our printer. Wait for a few seconds. Printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is install these scanner drivers. Okay, same process. We create our first one folder. I click on the blank space, click on the new, click on the folder. I give test. You can give any name. After that, right click on it and run as administrator or double click on it. Both are same. Click on the yes. Here we find the temporary file. If you want to go to the temporary file, then click at here unzip. I don't, so I click on the browse. I go to the desktop. Here we find test. I select test. Click on the OK and click on the unzip. Okay, it's unzip the files. Go to the test. In a test, here we find setup file. Double click on this setup file or right click on it. Select this and right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes. Close it. Okay, now it's want to select. If you find your scanner at this point, then select it, and if you not find your scanner, then use USB. Please attach your scanner or the printer and make sure your printer attach with the USB cable with your PC or laptop and make sure power on it. After that, these options are available on your screen. Okay, then click on the select the USB in this case and click on the OK, and after that our installation is complete. Close it. And after that, we are going to our next step. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, scroll down. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Ricoh Aficio MP 1600LE, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.